Self-enumeration user manual. User needs to click on the app icon to open the mobile app. User needs to click on the login button from the top right corner to initiate the login process. User should select the citizen role and click on the proceed button. User should select the register button. Application would ask for the camera permission as a one-time activity. Application would ask for the location permission as a one-time activity. User should enter the mobile number of the citizen. Mobile number should be verified through OTP authentication. User should enter the citizen Aadhaar ID and take the consent from the citizen either by OTP or biometrics. User should enter the OTP received to the mobile number registered to the Aadhaar. Once the authentication is done, application would pull the demographic data of the citizen. User should verify and update the district of the citizen as per the new districts. User should click the check box if citizen communication address is same as Aadhaar address. Application would fetch the social profile of the citizen from the GSWS based on Aadhaar ID. User should enter the mobile number of the citizen. Mobile number should be verified through OTP authentication. User should enter the email ID of the citizen if available. Email ID should be verified through OTP authentication. User should capture the digital enablement profile of the citizen. User should capture the education profile of the citizen if he/she is educated. User should capture current pursuing education of the citizen. User should capture the highest education of the citizen. User should fetch the education certificates from the DigiLocker. User should capture the course and specialization. User can update or delete the added qualifications if required. User should select the employment status of the citizen. User should add the employment details of the citizen by clicking on Add. User should capture the employment details of the citizen based on employment type. User can update or delete the added employment profile if required. User should capture the wage employment details of the citizen. User should capture the short-term skill trainings of the citizen if he/she done if any. User should capture the details of the short-term skill training done by the citizen. User should capture the certificate related to the short-term skill training done by the citizen. User can update or delete the added short-term skill training required. User should capture the language skills of the citizen. User should capture the proficiency of the language in terms of read, write, speak. User can update or delete the added language skills if required. User should capture the skilling aspiration details of the citizen. User should capture the details of the citizen related to mobility for employment. User should capture the consent from the citizen through Aadhaar, OTP or biometric on the data provided by him/her on the skill survey. User should enter the OTP received to the citizen on his/her Aadhaar linked mobile. Once the OTP got authenticated, citizen survey will be completed and saved to server. Citizen would receive the SMS on his/her mobile number with mobile app link.